Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Saudhari and today date is 1 October 2021. So today topic is interface. So what is interface? Interface is an abstraction, is an blueprint of the class, and into the interface is a abstract methods and static methods we are access. Then interface have a simple mechanism to achieve the abstract methods. The abstract method only a empty brackets, they don't have a methods, code and fields into the abstract methods. So the simple achievement is abstraction. then there is a then there is a support the multiple inheritance. Then interface have a easy relationship. Then interface have a different into the Java 8 we we have a default and static method. Then into the Java 9 we have a private methods. From Java 8 we have a static and default method. Then into the interface, and in then Java 9 we have a private methods. Into the interface we can access the methods and the variable private from the Java 9, and static and the default from we can access the static and the default method into the interface from the Java 8. So how to declare the interface? We are using the keyword of the interface into the class before the class name. So interface is only execute the method body it execute the code of the abstract methods. Then interface have a for example, then take a example of the interface. We are taking a interface calc, and then into we have a three methods. First one is the addition, second one is the subtraction, third one is the multiplication. So into the another class we take the another class which is a class A, and then into class A we implementing the interface class which is a implements calc. So class A implement the interface, then then implement the methods. Interface means implements the all methods and give the code to the methods. That means of the interface. So first method which is abstract, and then we are giving the code to the first method which is a addition. Then take two variables which is integer num1 and num2, and then do the addition of that number, and then take another method which is a subtraction. Then do the subtraction of that two numbers, integer num1 minus num2, and then print. And then take a third method which is a multiplication, and do the multiplication of that third methods, and then print that third method integers multiplications. We are doing the multiplication num1 into num2, and then print that result of the multiplication. So we are taking the another class and then create an object, and then declare all the methods into the main methods by creating the object. Then this is the code of the interface. This is the implementation of the interface using the abstract methods. When we take the interface keywords, so we don't want to declare the abstract method and we don't want to take a abstract keyword before the methods. It's easy to access without taking a keywords of abstract. Then interface is the same as a class, but into the interface is only access the static, finals, and abstract method. Class access all kind of methods. Into the static method we can access the static method giving the class of the name. We can access the static variable. Then final is a final keyword. We can't change anything into the final keywords. Then abstract is only accessed by the interface keyword or abstract class and abstract methods, and give the definition to complete the abstract code. So today topic is interface, and I'm trying to explain by my side. Thank you.